This mango mousse is so delicious. It's perfect for the entire family, including the little ones, including the babies, as long as they are 6 months or older. For this recipe, we're going to need 1 mango, and since we're already working with a mango, I thought it would be a good opportunity to teach you guys how to properly serve fresh mango to babies. You will want to wash the mango really well, and then peel it, and then you will want to cut it into little stripes, little wedges, and you can give the pit to the babies. They will have a lot of fun chewing on it, especially if they're teething. Then for the rest of the mango, you can cut it into little strips that they can hold with their hand, and once the baby has developed the pincer grasp, you can cut it into small bite size that they can chase. Since mango is really slippery, a little trick is to roll the mango in some rice cereal to have a better grip for the baby. Once our mango is ready, we are going to blend it. We are going to blend our mango, yogurt, warm water, and gelatin together. If you like family-friendly recipes, make sure you subscribe. I know I'm a mom and I know how tired and how busy we are, so it is really nice when you find a recipe that you can feed to the entire family. Once we have our mix, freeze it for about 2 to 3 hours. We don't want to leave it for too long because it's going to get really hard. It's time to add your favorite toppings. I added some shredded coconut and some blueberries. Make sure you smash those blueberries if you are giving them to a baby. Enjoy! I'll see you next video.